Good morning, Colorado. Today is Wednesday, the 17th of August, and today's update is going to be very, very short because not a whole lot is going on. In the rates go up category, the consumer price index was released and it was up on 4/10, and that's a precursor of inflation, and I really didn't like this figure. However, in the rates go down category, we still have all the problems in Europe, and that's where the focus is, and that's the reason that the Dow Jones and the stock market didn't rally yesterday like what it should have. And this has also kept this in bay, so there really hasn't been a whole lot of movement within the market. As I mentioned, there's not a whole lot of movement within the market. You can see that this past week we've been trading in a very narrow range, which is good. The sideways trading is very, very healthy because you don't want it where you go straight up, because when you do that, you're going to go straight back down sooner or later. So what will happen is, especially with the sideways trading, we will still have a correction, but it's going to come down here and will not be as severe, so it will not affect the interest rates as much. This is what the other servicers, subscription market timing services are saying. Rate alert, once again, if you're closing within 7 days, go unlock. After that, go on and float, but what's happening too is the lenders are very defensive. They're not passing on all the savings because since the market has been so volatile. But overall, I'm still very bullish on the stock market, or on the bonds, and also for interest rates to continue to be very, very low. The daily rate lock advisory, they hadn't updated it, so I expect it to be the same as yesterday. In summary, the PPI was higher than I'd like it to be. The market is shrugging it off thus far. The consumer price index needs to come in low tomorrow, and that will have a major impact, and I believe that it will. Europe still has a lot of problems, and that's going to keep on being persistent for quite a while. The sideways trending is healthy, as I mentioned, and we will still have that correction, but it's going to be less severe, so interest rates will not shoot up since this trading has been relative narrow. Now, the thought of the day: all the information you need to succeed already exists. The only problem is you're not exposing yourself to it. And this is a quote by Jim Rohn. And the reason I bring this daily update is so that you are exposed to what is actually happening, so you can actually protect yourself, preserve your assets, and be able to make an informed decision. And that's the sole purpose for bringing this. If you have any questions whatsoever as far as your mortgage needs, please go and give me a call. And I'm available 24/7. And as always, only wanting the best for you.